It would seem that what could be simpler than an omelette for breakfast? I agree. An omelette is quick, filling, and very tasty. Perhaps that is why the French cook a huge number of different omelettes, both sweet and savory. Today, I want to share a recipe for a very juicy French omelette with zucchini, which I cook very often for my family, having once tried it in Alsace. Let's prepare the ingredients for making an omelette. You should choose a young zucchini. Vegetable oil can be replaced with butter. You can add a couple of spoons of cream or milk to the omelette if desired. The amount of products is indicated for one serving. If the zucchini is not young and has a rough skin, remove it first. Grate the zucchini on a fine grater. Put the zucchini pulp in a bowl. Add eggs, salt and pepper the omelette mass. Add flour to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients of the omelette mixture well. Place a non-stick frying pan on the fire and heat the oil in it. You can use butter or vegetable oil. Pour the omelette mixture into the frying pan. Reduce the heat to minimum. Cover the frying pan with a lid and cook the omelette on one side for 5 to 6 minutes. The omelette will look like this. It will increase in size a little. Carefully turn the omelette over to the other side. Cover the frying pan with a lid again and cook the omelette for another 5 minutes. Serve the finished French omelette with zucchini hot with sour cream and fresh vegetables. Have delicious and healthy breakfasts.